This isn't just a gazebo. This is basically an outdoor room you can actually use. A place to chill, work, host friends, or just enjoy some quiet time outside without dealing with wind, bugs, or random weather ruining the vibe. One of the smartest parts is the detachable window system. You can literally remove the panels when you don't need them and store them neatly on the built-in rack. And these aren't cheap curtains either. The upgraded PC screen gives you privacy, blocks strong wind, and holds up way better in rain. So when the weather changes, you don't have to move everything inside. You just adjust the space. The front and back sliding doors are smooth and magnetic, so opening and closing feels clean and effortless. No annoying zippers, no awkward flaps. Just walk in and out like a real room. The double layer roof is made from thick galvanized steel. This is built to handle strong wind, heavy rain, and even snow. The double roof design also helps with ventilation, so heat doesn't get trapped inside on hot days. The frame looks like real wood, but it's actually aluminum, so you get that premium, natural look without worrying about rot, termites, or constant maintenance. Honestly, this feels more like an outdoor sunroom than a regular gazebo. You can use it as a mini studio, a chill cafe space, a spa cover, or just your private backyard escape. If you want to check it out or grab one for yourself, I've dropped the link in my description below.